Yet again, the sound quality is atrocious because I've left the external mic in another car. Hey ho, what can you do? But as you might have guessed, we're in the Corvette again. Auto addicts. So, why are we back in the Corvette? Well, a couple of things. Firstly, I just feel like I need to give it another coat of wax. Don't ask me why, just something seems to say it should have 3 coats. Maybe it's just because I'm bored. The second thing, which is something I forgot to do when I had the car out the other day, and that is the door rubbers have come unstuck in a couple of places, so consequently you have to slam the doors. Where are these side cyclists going? They're going that way. Now, I have some contact adhesive that's now several years old that I used for the roof on a 1964 Sunbeam Alpine that I used to own, which now means that glue's probably best part of 10 years old, but hopefully it'll be fine. I have used it once before to re-glue the sole on the cowboy boot, and that seemed to work fine. So I shall do that as well. But first, I'm gonna go to Tesco's. Other supermarkets are available. It just happens to be the nearest one to where I live. Pick up some essentials, you know, the usual eggs, bread, milk, beer. If they've got a couple of little small paint brushes, suitable for touching up the paints, and for the contact adhesive, because once I've used it on a brush, that brush has had it. I'll pick them up as well. But for now, we will stop at this random traffic. No, we won't stop. Oh, it's gone green. Fantastic. And for now, we'll head to said supermarket and pick up said supplies. Then we'll head back to mine for beer and gluing. See you there. Right, so here's what I mean. You see the rowers come unstuck, only a little bit on the passenger side, but on the driver's side you can see it's come right off there, right off round there, right to sort of the middle there. So that all needs sticking back on. So I've disconnected the battery so I can have the doors open without the interior light draining it. So let's get to it. What I've got is this stuff. Now it is getting old. As I said earlier, it's probably best part of 10 years old. But a Unipart Bodyline high temp trim tack. So we'll see how well it works. But anyway, let's get to it. Right, well, it's not hard. The brush isn't quite as small as I'd like, but hey ho. I'll just try and use this fairly sparingly. This probably is past its best, but anyway. Right. This may be completely the wrong thing to do, but I'm going to shut the door in the hope that it holds it in place. This side is going to be much more difficult. Yes, I'll just hold this now. Certainly isn't pretty, and this certainly isn't the right glue for the job, but hopefully it will do. Right. Well, it just needs to haze off a little bit more. The back's probably fine because it's in full sun, but the bits in the shade need to just go off a little bit more. But just sort of, as you know from a previous video, I've been using Poor Boy's Natty's paste, but I'm basically out. There's certainly not enough there to do another car, or to do the car again. So brings me on to the next thing. Do I get some more of this? This is quite old, so it may be better now, it may be worse, who knows. I was quite impressed with this. Or is there something else on the market? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'll be interested to see or try out something different. But I'm very impressed with this. So I'll probably will end up just buying some more of this. Hey ho. Oh dear. Right. So while I'm just waiting for the polish to haze off, you don't need to see any more polishing, I think you've seen enough polishing. But let's see if I've stuck the door rubbers on properly. If they're just going to come straight off, or if I've managed to stick the doors closed. Wouldn't surprise me. Let's have a look. Passenger side first, because that was the easiest. So far so good. Let's check out the driver's side. And again, it's holding. How long for? Who knows? As I said, it's not pretty, but it is holding for now. So, there we go. Only a fairly short video today, because I think you've probably had enough of this now. But I can get back far enough. There we go. It's what's it had? T-cut, Poor Boys, Nasty Blue, black glaze. No, sorry, black hole glaze, and now it's had 3 coats of Nasty Blue Canuba wax paste. Tyres have had a couple of coats of Maguire's tyre stuff, and it's looking resplendent with its black coach work. So yeah, I'm gonna have a drink, something to eat, have a little cruise round. Can't go far, but then probably put it away before it gets dirty again. So yeah, that's all that's left to be said. God, what a gorgeous car. Is the usual: like, share, subscribe, comment, share, subscribe stuff. Yep. And look at that car. I love that car. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Ta-da.